Good morning, everyone. I am Jay Sharath, studying 10th class. Today's topic is Chapter 3 Polynomials. Polynomials an algebraic expression consisting of terms that involving variable raising to whole number of exponents. Example: Px is equals to 16x minus 12y plus 26xg minus 8x. Terms a part of a polynomial which can be constant is variable or products of both. Example: n n of, n of x is equals to 36 y square minus 1 degree, the highest power of variable in polynomials. Example: 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Degree of 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is 2 because it is the highest power. Thank you.